Welcome to Fruit and Sport. I just wanted to give a brief rundown about what this channel is all about. Number one, it's the promotion of fruit as the #1 food on planet Earth. It's the highest energy rated food. It has the highest angstrom rating. They can actually rate how much energy is in a food. Fruit is #1. Fruit is also the highest food on the planet in vitamin content. It's #2 on mineral content, second only to vegetables. It's got water, it's got fiber, it's the best possible food we could put into our bodies. And that's what this channel is about, basically trying to be as healthy as we can. I mean, you don't have to go overboard, you know, what I mean by that is we don't want to be too vain, all right? Vanity is not a good thing. It's more important what we are on the inside. But what we take in as fuel, if we exercise, if we're getting sunshine, if we have good relationships, and we're getting good sleep and rest, those are all things that contribute to good health. And God wants us to take care of our bodies. So you don't have to go overboard, but you got to take care of it. And that requires some time and effort. This channel is also about just different health advice, things that I've learned over the years, things like nose breathing. I tape my mouth at night sometimes. It helps you sleep better. Tips like those that can help you be a healthier person. And exercise. I basically stick to 3 different types of exercise. I'm doing cardio. I'm doing some cardio. I'm doing some resistance training, and I'm doing some stretching. Because I think the key, especially as we get older, I'm 76, trying to stay functional in my line of work, which is being a tennis professional. So when I exercise, I'm thinking about stretching, I'm thinking about full range of motion. So I lengthen and strengthen at the same time. So that's pretty much what the channel is all about. Please check out the videos here. I think you'll glean a lot of information that can help you in your journey to be as healthy as we can be. You know, no matter what we do, this system, we're going to get toxins. The air we breathe, the food we eat is not perfect. But we can have a measure of health, a measure of good health into old age. It's all about a better quality of life. And when we feel healthy, we can do the things that we love to do. So please, like I said, check out the channel, post any questions or comments, and I do my best to get back to you. All the best. And to your health, and one phrase that I use a lot, fruit up, fruit up. That means get a lot of fruit in your system. You're going to have good glycogen stores in your liver. It's going to keep you energized. All the best. Have a wonderful day. Take care.